It is currently Thursday, May 28th, and I'm supposed to be making a skateboard that is actually due today. So, let's make that skateboard.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so I literally just left Harbor Freight. I needed to get a drill, a sander, some screws, and some sandpaper. The skateboard that I'm supposed to be painting is going to be, I'm trying to turn it into a table. So I bought table legs and I'm trying to attach it on there. Yeah, so now I'm actually on the way to my studio. Let's get to it, let's go to the studio and I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so here is like the idea I have for this skateboard. There's so many different ones that we have, but the skateboard is kind of thick. It's not, you know, so I want one that's not gonna go through. Let's see this one. Okay, so that one might poke through a little bit. Good. I think this one is probably the best we're gonna get. We're just gonna try it anyway. Let's wrap this bad boy. So I'm gonna screw it on the back or the bottom of the skateboard. Power cord to it. And I got the Warrior one of these. This sander. Then I got these. Hercules. See. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna do the last 4. Pray for me. Legs are on, they are secured. Some of them might be missing some of them aren't screwed in all the way, but it is very tight. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Okay, so I did decide to sand this thing down. This is what we're looking like right now. So let's start sanding it and let's get it going. Okay, so it's all gessoed, we primed the surface, we sanded it down, got it real gritty. I'm just gonna let that dry for a little minute. And yeah, I'm feeling really happy and very excited about it. It's really nice to see my vision come to life. I'm really excited to put the design on this skateboard and just kind of see it come to life. It's gonna be very simple. You know, I like Bob Marley. Bob Marley was a staple in my household growing up. I think the message symbolizes something pretty powerful, so we're gonna stick with it. Stay tuned, guys. It's coming along very well. Okay, y'all. So I'm finally done. I don't really know how I feel about it. I'm gonna be so for real, but I'm not changing it. And that is just what it's gonna have to be. That is my Bob Marley painting of my skateboard table. And hopefully you guys like it. If you guys have made it this far, I just want to say thank you for tuning in and watching this video and watching me create. And hopefully there's more on the way. So thanks again, guys. Stay tuned. Follow, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.